Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Hello. We are
Hello.
fine.
So,
How are you?
we just give a minute for everyone else to join in, and then we can start the session.
Okay.
All right, let's just give a minute for everyone to join in until the time you set yourself up. I hope everybody's got a pen and paper handy, just in case you would want to write down or practice some of the stuff that we are going to be discussing today during this session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you cannot hear us clearly, or if you're facing any problems, only then you can go ahead and put your camera off if that is the situation. Otherwise, put your camera on. That's fine. But if you cannot hear us, then or if you have facing any problems, only in that case you may switch off the camera.
Ma'am, sir, I don't have problem.
All right, all right. So, we'll be putting everybody on mute. If you have any questions, you will be dropping a message on our chat box. We will try to answer as many as we can. We will also, during the course of the session, wherever a new topic is introduced and some, this explanations are given. After that, we will invite some, participants to join us and help us solve some of the problems. I hope everybody over here is really excited to be part of this session.
Yes.
Wonderful. I can hear a loud yes from one person.
All of them.
All right.
Yes.
So, I think it's about time, and we can start now. I am Avinash Shetty. I'm one of the co-founders of Live Math Competitions and Leagues, and we welcome you for the webinar for the Challenger category, that is 6 to 8 years, for the Global Mental Math Olympiad, which is going to be happening on the 1st of November. Who here is really excited of being a part of this event on the 1st of November? Are you all excited? Wonderful. We are so excited. We are so happy to see all of you here, and we are really looking forward to see you when you actually come to the Glendale International School on the 1st of November, when we'll be having our Olympiad. We really, really look forward to that day. Till that time, today, the agenda of this call is to make sure that we cover some of the important topics of the mental math tips and tricks for the kind of questions that may be coming your way when you come for the event on the 1st of November. So we have somebody by the name of Mr. Minu Joki. Do you know who Mr. Minu Joki is? Has anybody heard about him?
No.
All right. So let me tell you, Mr. Minu Joki is is a very smart person. He's one of those people who, who's also known as the math magician. You know why he is called a math magician? Because he's very good at math. Obviously, he's good at math, but he also can do a lot of other stuff that can really surprise all of us. So today, when he comes right now and he starts the session, he'll surprise you with some of the details that he can tell about you. All right. Also, as I mentioned, the session is for mental math tips and tricks. So everybody has to be ready with a pen and paper, and so that you can write down and practice whatever is being taught right now. All right. Is that understood? Can I have a thumbs up from all of you? All right. So now that everybody is muted, I would like to welcome Minu.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining the session today. We have very eager faces here, as you can see. They are really looking forward to the session, and I think you can take it from here.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, so thank you, sir, for the introduction and good evening, everybody. It's going to be fun today. We are going to do a lot of interesting things together. To begin with, before I teach you anything, and anyone give me your date of birth. I'll tell you the day on which you were born. So, admin, please choose a couple of people for the date of birth.
Sure. So
To start
everyone,
with,
so what is going to happen now is, we will request some of you to give your date of births. How many of you over here know the day when you were born? Does do you know which day you were born in? Were you born on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
if
Do
you
you
know,
know
don't
that?
say the day, let's tell the date.
So what will happen now is if you just tell us what your date of birth is, and Mr. Minu Joki will work his magic and give you the day when you were born. Isn't that
Hmm.
amazing?
Yeah.
Isn't that really amazing? Okay, all you need to do is know your date of birth, and Mr. Minu Joki is going to help you now. All right?
Okay, so I think we can unmute Liana. Sorry? Ronikan. Yes, please unmute Ronikan. And Ronikan, please tell me your date of birth.
My birth, the
Birthday.
date of birth
हाँ
was
जी
the date
13th.
of 13th February 2017.
Okay, just give me a second, please. 13th February 2017 was on Monday. You were born on a Monday. Am I right? Right. Next one. Come on.
Wow, isn't that amazing? Jonathan, did you know that you were
Sorry?
born on a Monday?
Afra, tell me your date of birth.
Um, April 26th, 2017.
17. And you were born on a Wednesday.
Wow, everyone
Way
was
back in
born on a Wednesday.
2017. Good. Yes. Who else? Okay, I think Maha Malik or the girl here. Yeah. Yes.
That's a Monday.
No, that's my work to tell you. Monday, Tuesday, you have to tell me your date of birth. Okay, no problems. Any other? Admin, a couple of more kids.
My date of birth is at 10/11/2016.
10th November 2016 was a Thursday. You were born on a Thursday. Okay? Sure. One last one. And then again, after some time, we'll again do it. One more. Who else would like to ask? Admin, any one more child? Yeah, maybe the girl here, the boy here, maybe both of them. It's fine.
Me,
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
my
30th June.
30th June.
30, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. 30th June
2018.
2018. Wow. Okay. You were born on a Saturday. Okay. I'm on Sunday, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. That was good. That was my own skills that I showed you. That I showed you. Now let me teach you some of the things which are needed in the championship. So again, we'll request everyone to be unmuted for the moment. There are many things that we'll be covering, starting with the first addition and subtraction topic. So I have a question for the audience. If I want to ask you, I'll just read the whiteboard 1 second. If I ask you a simple question, 5 plus 4. As we all know, we can use our fingers, 5 plus 4, and we can see the answer 9. Okay, it's important that you not only answer right, you answer accurate, but you answer fast. Okay, we can even do 5 in your mind, count 4, that is 9. But when I say 9, now my second question is, I would like to do, sorry, plus 7. When I want to do 9 plus 7, remember please, there's a very important thumb rule here that whenever I say 9, round off to the closest zero, which is 10. 10 plus 7, as we can see, is 17. But the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. And we get the answer 16. Suppose I wish to do 14 plus 9. How do I do it? Again, take 14 plus the closest. 9 means 10. So what is 14 plus 10? It's equal to 24. But since the difference between 10 and 9 is 1, 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. This can work for bigger numbers and much easy. Just splitting the number into smaller parts and adding will always give you the correct answer and you'll be fast too. Now let's go a little further. Suppose, yes, sir.
Minu, before moving further, I think we should spend some time on this topic and have some kids join
Okay,
you. And,
Khatib.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to ask somebody to be unmuted. What if it is 24? We'll do plus 8 also, but first we will do 9. 24 plus 9. Can any child be unmuted to answer this? Yes, Jonathan. Jonathan, what's the answer?
To find out 24, let's make 9 to 10.
Okay.
So 24, 10.
Okay.
34.
Okay.
But the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So 34 minus 1 equals 33.
33. And the answer is absolutely right. Give him a big hand. Very good.
Perfect,
Excellent.
Jonathan. You listed the point, the steps very clearly, which is very good.
Yes, that's great, sir. Yeah, and now suppose if I have a question 27 plus 8. Now, again, we have to use our brains. It will become 27 plus 10, which is 37. But now, since the difference between 10 and 8 is of 2, it's not of 1. It is 37 minus 2. What is 37 minus 2? It is 35. So this way also we can do it. So I think we should have one question further in this before we go further.
Just one moment. Can we have? Can you again have the same example written over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
27.
Plus 8.
It's a pen. Just 1 second.
While we are facing some technical issues.
Yes, but we have resolved it.
Yeah.
So, yes, sir. 27 plus 8. How do we do it?
Yeah, just hold on. Can we unmute Ayat Ali? Can we unmute Ayat Ali?
Ayat Ali, yes, please unmute her.
Hello, Ayat.
We were drawn.
Hello, Ayat.
Hello?
Yes, Ayat, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, so the same steps that that Mr. Joki just showed us, will you be able to help us solve this sum using that same method?
Yes.
Okay, please show it.
So if you can tell us what will be the next step we'll do?
First, we would round 8 to the nearest 10. That would be 10.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then we would add 27 plus 10.
Okay.
Perfect.
That way we would get 37.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then
And now?
37 minus 1.
No. 37 minus 2. Why
That's
minus 2? Because it's 10 plus 8.
8 is 2 less than 10, right? That's why, because you added
Yes.
2 earlier, now you're removing the 2 now.
Yes. So
And
we do
minus
it.
2,
And now what do we get?
35.
35, which is absolutely correct.
Thank you, Ayat.
Okay. Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So I think we have understood this addition rule quite well. Now, suppose we have 40 plus 17. Okay, now we have two digits and two digits. So how we do this very comfortably? We do 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. But we also have 17. So it will be 50 plus 7, which is 57. This is one way of doing it, but we can even do it with a different strategy. 40 plus 17. So the closest 17, closest 0 would be 20. We can even do it in this way. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. 60 minus, what's the difference between 20 and 17? Difference is 18, 19, 20. So the difference is 3. Is 57. So both ways, children, we can do the way. We can either break them and add them, or we can take it to the closest 0 and then minus the difference. So if you have understood this, I think we should probably take one more example before we ask somebody. So 30 plus 18. Okay, so what do we do here? If we are going to do the rounding off to the nearest 0, 30 plus 20. What is 30 plus 20? 50. But since the difference between 20 and 18 is of 2, so 50 minus 2 is equal to 48. All right. All clear?
Perfect.
Okay. So I think, so I'll have a question for the audience now. Suppose, yes, suppose I would like to have 50 plus 17. So can the admin please unmute somebody?
Yes,
for the
yes, I have already unmuted. What's your name?
Majid.
Pardon me?
Majid.
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 Hello,
Okay.
Majid.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Majid. How do you do this?
We do 50
Mm-hmm. 50.
minus
Okay. Minus or 2. No, first, no, I think Majid, you got it a little wrong. It's 50 and to the nearest 20. What's the nearest 0 to 17? It is 20. Am I right? Then
Okay.
what is 50 plus 20?
70.
Perfect. Now, what's the difference between 20 and 17? Now your minus will come. So what's the difference between 20 and 17? Yeah, are you there? Yes, perfect. Absolutely right. And then we subtract this and we get 67.
7.
Now, are we there? Are we correct? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way 2 digits plus 2 digits and such related sums which will be coming in the competition can be done really well and fast. Okay. Now, here we have to know that we just don't have addition. We have subtraction also. Addition means adding, subtraction means minusing. So, a simple subtraction like 10 minus 3 would be just simple on your fingers. You have 10 and you take away 3 and you're left with 7. But it won't always be that simple. Suppose here too, we have 9 minus 4. So, there are many ways of doing it. We can even have 9 fingers and take away 4 and you're left with 5. Or you can do the splitting here too. You can make 9, 10, which will become 6. But since there's a difference of 1, it will be 6 minus 1, that is 1, that is 5. Both ways you can get the answer. For single digit by single digit, it doesn't really make a difference. This way or that way, the answer will be there and correct. More challenging is when it comes to double digits. For example, I have 45 minus 17. Now, here our real skills are tested. 45 minus 17. So I will go to the nearest zero, which is 20. Please don't go back to 10. That's too far. 20 is much closer. So 45 minus 20 is how much? 25. Now, we have a difference of 3. 20 minus 17 is 3. So 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. This is the way we can do with regular practice. The sums can become really easy and we can do it really fast. Let's take more examples of this. Suppose I take 64 minus 27. So, this is a real challenging example. Again, what's the nearest 0 to 27? It is 30. Okay? Now, this is easy. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. But this is not my answer. I still need to add 3 because the difference between these two numbers is 3 and we get 37. I hope you kids and children are having a pen and paper. You're noting out everything. And please practice more and more sums that have been sent to you and become better and better. You may make a mistake or two here, but with regular practice, that 1 or 2 mistakes will also go and you'll become a champion. So,
all right, Minu, before you move ahead, I would request everyone that, once everybody is registered, everybody must have received an email with the registration kit, which would have your study kit for challenger category, in which you are participating, and it has a question bank, sample question papers, so you can all solve that and practice as much as you want. Apart from that, we also have a live math competitions and league app. I hope everybody, all of you, have downloaded that app on your devices, either if you have your own device or if your mummy and papa have their device. Then you can practice all these kinds of sums. These are unlimited practice for you in the challenger for the challenger category in the practice level section, and you can practice as much as you want in by using that app. All right. Also, I hope everybody remembers tomorrow. Today onwards, the mock test has been assigned to everyone. So the mock test will be active for the next 2-3 days. Please go ahead and take that test. This will help you to log into the app and make sure that your ID is working before the day of the test, and you will get an idea of how the questions will be. All right. I hope everybody is clear about that. Now I would request Mr. Minu Joki to start and continue with the session.
Yes, sir. So before we have a poll on this topic to see how the children have understood. I'll give one small question. 44 minus 18. I would request the admin, please unmute somebody to give the answer for this. It's a tricky one, but I'm sure you children are smart. They'll be able to answer. Yeah. So who's being unmuted for this?
So how 44 minus 18.
Okay.
So 44 minus 18, what if you don't exactly know it? So then you can add 18 plus 2, and we all know that's 20.
Okay.
So then if you
so 44 minus 20 minus 20 would be how much? Isa? I'm sorry, your name, would be how
24.
much? 24? Okay, that's correct.
24.
Okay, but now what do I do further? Okay,
So
Ramin. Your name is Ramin, right?
Ramin.
Okay, Ramin. So now what do I do next?
So then you see the difference between 8 and 0. They're by 2, right?
Okay.
So you do 24 minus 2.
No, better, we don't do 24 minus 2. We do add 2. There's a difference. So you're supposed to add them. Okay? You're not supposed to minus them.
I meant add.
Okay, yes, you meant add, but you said so, minus. So what is 24 plus 2?
So it's 26.
Perfect. Ramin, you have a lovely smile and you have a lovely maths attitude also. You got the correct answer. Very good. So, on this note, I would like to request the admin. We can have a poll for addition and subtraction before we go further. Yeah. Stop.
Okay, we'll be
Yes.
having a poll pretty soon. I request everybody to take that test on your screens right now. Let's see. I would request everyone to make sure that you answer the questions quickly. We've started getting responses. Okay.
But
Excuse me, I don't have submit.
I can see most of you are getting everything correct.
that's great. Very good.
Yes,
I would request everyone to take this mock test. I still see a lot who've still not started. Admin, do let us know when the poll comes to an end.
Okay, the poll is ending. Okay. Close it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So almost everyone have got everything right. So I'm very happy to see the good response. We have all done videos. Let me see. Messy. Okay. Okay. So I'm very happy that almost everyone has got everything right, and you have all done a lovely job so far. Okay. Now we go further down from addition, subtraction, we will see multiplication. I will be teaching you certain tricks of certain tables. By the way, I know all the tables from 1 to 1 crore, that is 10 million. Until 1,000, I can beat the calculator. But I've not really just learned it. There are certain ways of doing it. But I would like to say, I'll be showing the base to you. All of you children are supposed to know all your tables from 1 to 9, 1 to 10 really well. Then it will help us a lot. But right now, we will see a few tricks of tables and then also the concept of multiplication with zero. And let us see how we can do this with ease. To begin with, in 1 to 9, the biggest number is 9. But what is the trick of the table of 9? Many tricks are there. For example, 9 ones are 9. So now 0, 9, that's the first answer. I just have to increase this by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here I reduce 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is the table of 9. And one side you increase 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The other side you reduce 9 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you see one thing when you see these answers? Each and every answer, will add up to 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Isn't that amazing? In maths, observation plays a big role. You have to be as alert, as observant as ever. Apart from this, now this I've already showed you, but let me now review this and share one more easy thing with you. Suppose I want to do 9 times 7. I don't know the answer. So what I'll do is, I will first show all my fingers, and since the question is 9 times 7, I will remove this seventh finger. Now, before this finger removed, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after this finger removed, I have 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 63. I again repeat. I asked 9 times 7. I showed all my fingers. And I reduced I removed the 7th finger. So I have 6 fingers here. I have 3 fingers here. The answer is 63. Suppose I want to do 9 into 5. So again, I will show all my fingers and I will remove my 5th finger. So what's the answer? 4, 5. 45. Wow. Tables are so fun. Once you just start learning tables, you never stop doing them. You just feel like learning more and more. But it should be done in a very interesting way. So this is an easy table of 9. I showed you how to write it also. And I showed you the finger method also. Okay, this is quite challenging. Let's do something very, very simple. The table of 10. I don't know why some people make careless mistakes in it, because it's so easy. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 10, 0. That's 100. The whole table of 10 also is over. So instantly I asked you, 10 sevens are. In my question, the answer is there. I said 10 sevens are. 10 sevens are is 70. So 7, 0. 10 nines are. When I ask you 10 nines are, it means 9 and 0, 90. Again, in a jiffy, I got the answer. So this also can be done very easily. Apart from 10, another two-digit number, 11. This again is interesting. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. So now you will say 10, 10. No, it's not 10, 10. It's 1, 1, 0. So if I ask you 11 6 are, in the question, the answer is there. It is 66. 11 9s are. It is 9, 9, 99. Okay. How many are you on between 6 to 8? So you have to know the table of 5, the property of 5. 5 ones are 5. Now, in the table of 5, the last digit will be 5050505050. It cannot be anything else. The divisibility rule of 5 is that if a number is ending with either 5 or 0, then only it goes in the table of 5. Otherwise, it doesn't go. And the first place obviously is 5. Now we have 1 1, we have 2 2, we have 3 3, we have 4 4. We stop here at 5. Otherwise, we have 5 again also. We have 5 5. Okay. So this is the table of 5. I'm sure you're writing all this. And after we finish the lecture, again, write each and every table 2 to 3 times and then ask yourself how much you know. It's not difficult provided you do it in a systematic way. When you've done so many tables, let me end with one more. the table of 2, which is very simple because in the table of 2, there's just a difference of 2. So we can even say we are doing alternate numbers. 2 ke baad 4, 4 ke baad not 5 but 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's it. The table of 2 is over. We just did, and by the way, did you realize something? We only have even answers. There is no odd answer in it. Okay? This was all about mathematical tables. But though I showed these tricks to you, as has been told to you earlier also, you are supposed to know from the championship point of view to know all the tables from 1 to 9. So please practice and re-practice them. Okay, now I want to destroy. For destroying in multiplication, I need a 0. I have the big number 71, but when I multiply it by 0, the answer is not 71, 0. If I do 22 into 0, the answer is 0. If I do 31, okay, okay, just 1 second, please. Okay. So if I want to do 31 into 0, the answer is 0. 7 into 0, answer is still 0. Okay. Got it? Easy. So if any child has any questions for this, I can answer and then we can have a poll or multiplication as well.
Yeah, let's have one of our participants, Maha Malik.
Maha
Can we have
Malik?
Maha?
Okay.
Maha Malik, can you unmute yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, can you say, sir, can you show me
Yeah.
table? Can you show me 6 table, 7 table,
Mm-hmm.
and 4 table?
Okay, they are the at the moment you are supposed to learn them because we have got now other things also to do.
Maha, with regards to 6, 7 tables, these are the tables that we have to learn
We
on
have to
our
learn.
own.
Yes.
You have to practice every day and learn them on your own. There's no special technique or a shortcut that can be learned here. So you have to write your tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Likewise, you have to write it every day and practice till you master it. Mr. Joki showed us some of the tricks of doing quick calculations or writing down multiplications quickly, even if we don't know it, and that included the 5 times table, the 9 times table, the 11 time table. I think he also covered the 2 times table. Did you cover the 2?
So 10 times.
Yeah. So all of these were shown. At this point, he's covering the multiply by 0 concept. So Maha, if I ask you, what is 6? What happens when you multiply a number by 0? What is the answer? Do you know that?
For example, I'll ask him if it's 18 into 0. What's the answer, Maha?
Do you know what the answer is? It's okay if you don't know. We'll help you with that. I think Maha, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear.
So Maha, what is 18 into 0?
The answer is 0.
Absolutely right. Answer is 0.
So how did you do that? Maha, how did you do that? Because anything multiplied by 0 gets destroyed and becomes 0.
It becomes 0. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
And
Great.
now let's see if there's someone else who can help us. Do we have Princess Nada?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Princess. Princess, can you help us? What is the answer for 25 multiplied by 0?
What's the answer?
The answer will be 0.
Perfect. Answer is absolutely correct.
So I think they've understood the concept of multiplication by
Yes,
zero.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we can move
They
ahead.
have.
Yeah.
So I guess we can have a poll, admin, for multiplication tables and for zero.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Your pool, we should create.
This one. Sorry?
Wonderful. Actually, I can see a lot of them have answered the questions, and almost everyone has got the right answers correctly, which is very good.
Fantastic. Very good, excellent. That's a lovely sign. I'm sure all of you are going to do a wonderful job on 1st November. Now, so we have covered up till now various addition, subtraction things. We have done tables from 1 to 10 of many numbers, and we have seen how zero can destroy any number. We have now a easy topic before we do another very critical one, that is exponents. There are two things in exponents that we need to learn. Here, if I ask you 7, this is the exponent sign, 3. It means 7 into 7 into 7. And we stop here. We are not going to find out the value of this. We are not, for this competition point of view, we are not supposed to give the final answer. We just have to do this. But we cannot just ask you in this way. We can ask you vice versa too. But first, let's go further in this. I want to know 5 exponent 6. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Here, I've seen children are sometimes careless. It's 5 exponent 6, but they may just write the 5 times, or they may write one extra, they may write 7 times. So that kind of careless mistake which happens must not happen. But I won't just ask you in the exam in this way. I can even go the other way around. I can make it 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So then the answer would be 8 exponent 4. Why 4? Because we have the 8 4 times. This is one of the easier topics. Unless you make a careless mistake, you can't really get it wrong here. Okay, so have you all understood this? Any questions, sir, for this?
Let's have some of the participants join in for this, for this question, and
Okay.
let's have Shubhang Sharma.
Shubhang Sharma. So Shubhang, I want to know 7 exponent 5. What do I do? Can you tell me, please?
To find out the answer of 7 exponent 5, we are gonna have to
do 7 multiplied by 7
Mm-hmm.
multiplied by 7
Mm-hmm.
multiplied by 7
Multiplied by
7
but only
Perfect.
5 times because
Perfect.
it
5
is
times.
5. Yes. And you can so choose one more kid. I will change the question. I will say 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. So what's the answer if I asked you for this? Anyone? In exponent, what would the answer be?
Can we have Salma? Can we have
Salma?
Salma join us?
Okay. So Salma, what's the answer for this?
4.
Sorry?
Yeah, she said 4, which is correct in terms
Yeah,
of
yeah. So
9.
9 exponent 4. This is the final answer. And please, sometimes in carelessness, we would write 4 exponent 9, which would be wrong. Okay, these are small, small things, but people do make these mistakes. So I don't want you to make any such careless mistake. So I think the exponent topic has been really covered well, and there's no queries. So, Kassav, can we have a poll on this?
I would before we move to the poll,
Okay.
children, all these sums for practice is available on our live math competitions and league app.
Mhm.
I hope that everybody is downloaded the app on your phones and you've started practicing. In the challenger category, if you click on the practice level section, then you go to the challenger category. There'll be 10 levels over there. The syllabus for the competition is from level 1 to level 8. From level 1 to level 8. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So please practice as much as you want so that you are prepared for the 1st of November.
Yes.
So we can now play the mock the poll.
Yes. Let's have the poll.
Uh, is the poll active? Hold on.
Exponents.
Okay, kids, the poll on exponents is active here. I would request everybody to quickly start giving the answers. I can see everybody's got it right, but
Wow, that's right.
a couple of them have got the question number 7. That is 11 into 11 into 11. They've got it wrong. They have chosen 3 into 11. So, Minu, if you can just
Yes.
explain that sum once to everyone.
Sure. 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, just 1 second. So the question is 11 times 11 times 11. So obviously it is 11, which is the exponent. And how many times it has been repeated? 3 times. So 11 exponent 3 is the answer. We are supposed to right now, from the competition point of view, find out the actual value. You are supposed to just write 11 exponent 3. In case, that's why I mentioned this earlier also. In case you write the other way around, 3 exponent 11, that means you have made a mistake. This answer is wrong. Okay? Hope it's clear now?
So you're multiplying 11 three times. That's
Yeah,
exactly what.
yes.
And
Yeah,
that's what is
and if
shown
you
over
if
here,
it is
11
if it is
raised to the
this
power of
3 3 raised to 11, then you're multiplying 3 11 times. It's totally the other way around, which is wrong. So it's 11 into 11 into 11, 11 exponent 3. Okay? Okay. So that was exponent, and now that leaves us with a very crucial topic: how to get half of number, how to get double of number, and how to get triple of numbers. Okay, this is a very interesting thing, and your math skills, your abilities are tested well. Let me take a number, say 12. I wish to double 12. So I make 12 as 10 plus 2. What's the double of 10? 20. And what's the double of 2? 4. The double of 12 is 20 plus 4, and it is 24. How simple and how easy it is to double numbers. Let me take a number where there would be a carryover, but let's see how easily we can do that. Suppose I take 27. Okay. So, how do I split 27? I break it into two parts, 20 and 7. Now, what's the double of 20? Double of 20 is 40. Double of 7 is 14. Total of the two, 40 plus 14 is 54. See, all our math skills are interlinked. In the beginning, where in addition topic, we had done some similar, some. When you have to add 2 digits by 2 digits. Now that knowledge will help you here. So, let's go still further. 36. How we find the double of 36? 30 and 6 added together. What's the double of 30? The double of 30 is 60. 30 plus 30 is 60. What is double of 6? That is 6 plus 6. 6 in our mind, count 6. Total of that is 12. The final answer would be 72. So we saw how easily, with this technique of splitting the number, doubling them, and then adding them, we can always get the correct answer. Unless you make some kind of a careless mistake, which obviously you're not supposed to. Suppose I ask somebody, let me choose, this is a very intelligent audience, so let me choose a different kind of, let me choose a couple of sums. One relatively easy, 32. Sir, can you ask somebody, unmute somebody for 32 ka double?
Can we have Liana?
Okay, Liana?
The double of 30, it is 32 is
So what do we do here? What do we do?
30
And
plus that
La?
makes 32.
Okay, now what
The
will
double of 30 is 60.
plus?
Perfect.
And the double of 2 is 4.
Okay, so what's the final answer?
64.
Is he right? She's
Perfect.
absolutely
Perfect.
right. Very good.
Perfect,
Good one.
Liana.
Okay, and a little tricky one. Okay, but I'm sure with this clever group, we'll get the correct answer for this. Let's find a double of 47. Come on, who would like to challenge this yourself for this? So you can raise hands, and then admin will choose someone from the group. I think K wants to answer. K. Ayan Akram. So what is the double of 47? Anyone?
Okay, can we have Ayad?
Yes, Ayad, tell me.
Where is Ayad? Hold on. Actually, I've lost Ayad.
No problem. Someone else?
Can we have Ayan Akram?
Yes,
Ayan
Ayan Akram. So, Ayan, how would we double 47?
40 plus 7.
Perfect. 40 plus 7. So, now what's the double of 40?
80.
Okay. And what's the double of 7?
14.
Okay. So, if you add the two, what do you get?
94.
Perfect. It was a little patient answer, but in a sensible way you did it and you got the answer right. Okay, that's great. And now, I don't want to double, now I want to half numbers. So, a simple one, for example, I want to know the half of 66. I now have repeat strategy but with a difference. I will still do 60 and 6, but now I have to half it. So 60 and 6, the half of 60 is 30. Half of 6 is 3, which I add and I get 33. Halving numbers is again quite interesting, and with little sensible work, you can do it really well. I will still give another example of this. Suppose I want to know the half of 48. So it is 40 and 8. I now half 40, and what's a half of 40? It is 20. And then I find the half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. If I add the two, I get 24. This is easy. This is understood. This is clear. There is no carryover. But in carryover sums also, you don't have to worry at all. For example, I have 74. 74 is 70 plus 4. Now, same way, we find the half of 70, which is 35. Half of 4 is 2. Total of the two is 37. This might take a slip or second or 2 or 3 longer in the initial phase, but with little practice, even this kind of challenging numbers can be done in a jiffy and correct. So if there are any questions on the half topic, you can ask me. And meanwhile, I would also like the admin to unmute someone. I would like to know. I won't take a difficult one first. I'll take a very easy one. I want to know the half of 42. How do we do it? And then I'll take a little challenging one. Come on. So I think Jonathan Fikru wants to answer.
Let's take.
Okay.
Let's take Juvie.
Juvie. Okay, so Juvie, what's the answer for finding the half of 42?
Juvie, can you help us? Juvie, can you hear us?
Yes, Juvie.
Okay. So 40 is
40 plus.
plus 2.
Perfect. Now, what's the half of 40?
20.
Okay.
Perfect.
And now half of 2?
1.
And the answer of the total is?
21.
Very good. That's fine and that's clear. That's absolutely right. The answer is 21. Okay. Now a little more challenging sum where there is a carryover kind of a thing. So I want someone to find the half of 58. Again, it's simple, but provided you do it in a proper way. So what's the half of 58? Admin, can you please take someone for this?
Yeah. I'm trying to unmute this girl. It's her name is not mentioned. May I have your name, please?
Joanna.
We can't hear you.
My name is Joanna.
Juana.
Juana,
All right, Juana.
okay.
Can you help us with halving 58?
Okay. So first of all, how do we split Juana? 58 will become?
She said 50.
Okay. Plus? Plus?
Juana, can you speak loudly, please?
Yeah. Can you speak more audible?
I think she's got an audio problem. We can't hear her.
Okay. So can we take someone else to continue?
Yeah, let's have someone else. Let's have Joshua.
Joshua. So Joshua, the number is 58. One part is 50. What's the other part?
8.
Okay, perfect. So what's the half of 50?
25.
Okay, and what's the half of 8?
4.
Okay, and if you add the two, what do we get?
29.
Perfect, that's the answer. Absolutely clear. Got it? So with that, even halving and doubling is done, but we can't stop here. Now there's tripling also. Tripling will be for all the numbers from 1 to 9 with a competition point of view. So in a way, if you know the table of 3, then also it will become easy. So but suppose if I want to do the triple of 6, okay, it is basically 6 is either you can do 5 plus 1. So the triple of 5 would be 5, 10, 15 plus 111 would be 3, 18. That way they will get the answer. But suppose you are not comfortable with this and you want the other way around. So 6 can also be written as 10 minus 4. So the triple of 10 would be 10, 10, 10, 30. And this would be 4, 4, 4, 12. If you minus the 2, we can again use our splitting strategy 30 minus 10, which is 20. But since it's written 12, we can do 20 minus 2, which is 18. But I would not do this. I would probably do plus strategy only. Okay. So I want to know, I wish to do 8 plus 8 plus 8. So how do I do? You can do it the minus way also. You can do it the plus way also. How would you do it? Anyone? Can you have somebody, sir?
Yes. Can we have Yusuf Wadria?
Yusuf Adria, answer please.
So
Mm-hmm.
5 plus 3.
Okay, 5 plus 5. You can say 5 times 3. Yes, and we have done a table of 5, so it will help you. So what is 5 plus 5 plus 5?
15.
Perfect. And now we have 3. Because 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is 3 plus 3 plus 3?
9.
Okay, if we add the 2, what's the answer?
24.
Perfect. The answer is absolutely correct. Okay, that's great. So this is an important topic, a topic where careless mistakes also happen. Sometimes the person doesn't know. So it has to be done by practice. Exponent in comparison obviously is easier, but here you need much more practice to become a champion. And you have to, as Sir said, go to the app and practice all the sums, take the mock test, take the question papers, and keep on practicing. The more practice you do, the better you become. Okay, so that was great. Now, before we have question answers, I would like the admin to conduct a poll on halving, doubling, and tripling. And then we can have a question answer round as well. And I can answer your date of birth. Anyone wants to know the day you're born? I can do that also for you. Come on. Good luck. Good. Almost everyone is getting all the answers right. That's a good sign. Very good.
Minu, if you can just write down question number 2, double of 24.
Okay. Double of 24. One second, sir.
Then after that,
Mm-hmm.
after that, double of 30.
Okay. So let's start with.
Hold on. Let me give you all of them.
Okay.
Double of 30,
24.
double of 24,
Uh-huh.
and half of 18,
Half of 18. Okay. 18
and
is half.
and double of 34.
34. Okay. So let's
So these
take
are some
the
that people got
the
wrong.
kids
So
got wrong. Okay. So no problems. We'll solve it. I want to know the double of 24. This is a simple question. 20 plus 4. Because it's 24. So double of 20 is what? 40. And what's the double of 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. And the answer for this obviously is 48. Am I right? Is it clear? In case somebody may have probably made a careless mistake or not understood, then now you have understood. And since we have got a mistake for 30 and 34 as well, 30. 30 is simple. Okay, 30 plus 30. Okay, what's the double of 30? 3 plus 3 is 6. And 0 and 0 and 0. So it's obviously a 60. Okay, but for the 34 thing, which we got wrong, we will again use 30 plus 4. So, what's the double of 30? We just did it right now. 60. What's the double of 4? 4 plus 4? 8. And if we add the 2, it becomes 68. That is how we get the double of 34, which is 68. Okay, now we also had to revise the half of 18. Okay, what is 18 closer to the nearest zero? It is 20. So even if I say 20 minus 2, am I right? It is still 18. Okay, so now we are going to see the half of this. Half of 20 is 10. Half of 2 is 1. And the answer is 9. Sometimes in just haste, we would take 10, but instead of 1, we would probably minus from 2. And then we would get the answer 8, which is wrong. Probably some of you may have done it right now, the same thing. So 10 minus 1 is 9, which is the half of 18. Okay? Okay, so that was that. Any other thing that you'd like me to reshare with them?
I think we covered the most important topics over here. And children, there are many ways to do to do mental mathematics. At this point, for your age and the syllabus that is there for the competition, we've covered the most important aspects over here. Obviously, there are more techniques. You should, that I would request you to keep practicing as much as you can. Keep learning. I'm sure we also have some video material that is there. If you want to watch that, you can let us know. We will drop you those links to the master category, grandmaster category videos. If you are interested, you can go and learn. If you're already good at what you're doing right now, then and if you want to learn more, then you can watch our videos for master and grandmaster category. So that way you can add more skills to yourself. So for now, considering what is going to be happening on the 1st of November, we've covered some of the most important aspects. I would request you all to keep practicing and give your best. I'm sure everybody is really excited. We are very excited to see you on the 1st of November. And it would be an amazing day, full of excitement. And don't forget to give your mock test. Your mock test is active as of now, and it'll be active for the next couple of days. So I would request everybody to make sure that you download the Arena by Live MCL app, which is the competition app. You'll be giving your test on the competition app this time, not the practice app. The practice app is different. It's just to practice. Arena app is the competition app. The mock test is also a kind of practice, but it will let you know exactly how that test will be happening on the 1st of November. All right?
Yes. So, children, all the very best to you. I'm sure you have any questions, you can ask me. And I've given you my website, which has more details about me. You can see that. And at this age, you are very lucky to have this kind of a lovely competition where you can take part and explore your math skills. And in maths, practice is the key. The more you practice, the better you become. Yes. Any questions of anything, you can ask me.
Before we move to the next section, I would request the parents, if you are here, I hope everybody's joined the WhatsApp community group, because all updates regarding the competition are being dropped there. We obviously also send emails to you. If you can't find it in your mailbox, please check your spam folder on your inbox, on your mailbox. If you can't see our mails on the inbox. If you still can't find the details, please don't hesitate and write to us on contact@livemcl.com or drop us a WhatsApp message on +91 8291027238. As I mentioned, the WhatsApp community group is there. All information is also being sent there. Having said that, I think, Minu sir, if you want to do some of your birthday tricks, we can some of the kids, giving their birthdays to you, and you can give their date, the days also.
Anyone, you are most welcome. Please ask me. I'll answer your day of birth. I'll tell you your day of birth.
Okay, kids. Whoever's interested to and wants to know their day of birth, please pick up your hands, and we'll try to answer everyone.
Yes.
Okay, can we have Iza Mariam?
Yes, Iza. What's your birthday?
My birthday is in March 1.
March 12th March.
Did you say 12th March or did you say 1st March?
Yeah, and also the year is needed.
Which year were you born in?
I think we have lost contact with her.
Okay, let's try someone else.
Yeah.
Let's have Joshua.
Okay, please boliye.
24th April 2013.
2013. Okay. 2017. Okay. You were born on a Monday. You're born on a Monday. Yes. Okay.
Joshua, your mom would know. If you don't know, your mom would definitely know.
She said it's a Monday. It's a Monday.
Yeah.
Okay. Beginning of the week. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Can we have Abdul Aziz? Abdul Aziz.
October 25, 2016.
2016. And you were born on a Tuesday. Okay.
Abdul Aziz, if you are not sure about it, ask your mom and dad. I'm sure they will tell you this is the right date.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Let's have Dihela Gunaratne.
You're from Sri Lanka. Lovely place.
Yes, Dihela.
February 14, 2019.
No, but what's the date? Didn't get the date.
Which date?
14.
14, which month? Which month?
February.
Okay, 14th February 2019. 1 second. 14th February 2019 was a Thursday. You're born on a Thursday. Okay? Yes. Who else would like to know?
Let's have Mohammed Ryan.
Okay, Mohammed. Boliye. Say.
Yes, Mohammed. When were you born? What's your date of birth?
2 August 2018.
2nd August 2018 was a Thursday. You're born on a Thursday. Mhm.
We have Walden D'Souza.
Okay. Tell me, Walden.
3rd of May 2017.
2017. 1 second. Wednesday. Wednesday. You're born on a Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we have Zed Ihab Zukari?
Mhm. Tell me your date of birth, please.
December 2017, 25th.
25th December, wow, Christmas Day. And in 2017 was a Monday. You were born on a Monday. You were born on a Monday. I think Yunathan wants to know. Yunathan Fikri.
No, we didn't.
Oh, you did it. Okay. Then someone else.
Who else? Do we want Sarvesh?
Okay. Sarvesh, Pulya.
So I was born in July 17, 2007. July 17, 2017.
2017. Okay. So you were born on a Monday. You're born on a Monday. A lot of Mondays here. Beginning of the week, a lot of people were born. Okay. Good. Okay. And tomorrow is a Monday.
I'm not sure how much more time you have, but we can take one more. Let's take Grace.
Okay. Yes.
You have a Grace.
Mhm. So what is your date of birth?
My July 15, 2019.
15 July 2018. Okay. Just give me a second, please.
No.
2019.
19.
No, didn't get it, sir.
2019. July
19.
2019.
2019.
Okay. Yeah. But what's the date? What's the date?
July, which date? Which date, Grace?
15.
15
yeah.
July.
15 July 2019. Okay. And that was Monday. Again, a Monday. Today's Monday day. Yeah,
So
great.
Grace, why don't you just ask your mom or dad, and they'll be able to tell you that you were born on a Monday.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Sure. It was really lovely and wonderful. I thank Avinashi for inviting me here, and it was a lovely event. I wish you all the very best for the competition on 1st November. Do well, and all of you try to do as well as you can. I'm sure you'll do well.
All the best, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Joki, for your time. It was
My
a
pleasure.
really fun session for all of us.
Yes.
Even I enjoyed myself.
Thank you. Same here.
So, we really look forward to having you here next year as well. At this point,
Sure.
kids, I'm sure you have a lot of questions you would have for learning. I would request, if you have any such questions, and if you have any questions regarding the competition, please drop us an email or drop us a WhatsApp message, and we'll be happy to answer those questions. All right. Having said that, thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on the 1st of November. Please don't forget to take your mock test in the next couple of days, because that will help you to be prepared for the event on the 1st of November. All the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All the best. See you.